Good afternoon. Jamie and I are going on a little hike today up to Loaf Mountain, just outside of Grass Valley and Nevada City. Hey look, it's snow. I haven't seen that in about 2 years since I left Wisconsin.
Look at the mountains you can see behind us.
Well, the only bad thing about this trail is it's pretty much straight up the entire way. Alright, looks like we've just about reached the top of Loaf Mountain. You can see downtown.
No. The bench people are leaving. Trying to get some sun right now. It's very pretty. Which we ordered about a picnic.
So here we are. Top Loaf Mountain, and there's a nice kind of vista point. There's a couple benches around. It looks like over here is actually some snow-covered peaks you can see in the distance. Let me see if I can get a good shot of that. I don't know if you can make it out on the video, but it's like some ropes tied behind me. I guess if you want a rope swing off the cliff. Heading back down the hill now. Police activity. We're gonna go check out the where that bridge crosses the Yuba River that we went swimming at last year. And last year, you know, it was in the summer and the water was pretty low, so it hadn't rained in months, but we just had a bunch of rain over the last month or so. So to see how the levels look today. I'm going to venture a guess that we won't be able to swim. So we're at the Yuba River crossing right now, and yeah, the water's a lot higher than it was before. Kind of hard to recognize some of the spots we used to swim.